Model, 61-plate Volkswagen Amarok 2.0 BITDI 163PS 4Motion Perm Highline spares OR repairs. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 164923. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 163PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has slipped. Will need replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric window S, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.